you have to select three subjects in technology stream. You have to select three subjects. The first one is the science for technology. This is our subject. It is compulsory. No any selection. The science for technology is the first and compulsory subject. The science for technology. Science for technology. The second one is the for second subject you have two selections. The first one is biosystems technology. The second one is engineering technology. Then from these two subjects, BST in common BST, now it is BET. According to new updates, it is BET and ET. ET means engineering technology. I think among you have to select ET or BST one subject. As third subject, you have 10 selections. Okay, according to your preference, you can select one of given subjects. You can select ICT is the best one. If you select ICT, it's better because I will explain in future parts. There are so many chances to select universities, while if you select as third subject ICT, you select ICT, you have so many chances. I will explain, I will let you know in future parts, in our future parts. Okay, ICT, if you want, you can select mathematics. If you interest, okay. If you interest, you can select English. You can select account or econ. Anyone you can select as third subject. Our third subject, you can select any one of them. One of them you can select. Okay, then your first subject is science for technology. Second subject is ET or BST. Third subject, among these 10, there are so many subjects. Not only that, account, econ, agriculture as well, geography, mathematics, ICT. Okay, among them one subject. Then one second subject among ET and BST ones, you have to select one. These are your second subject. Among these 10 subjects, you have to select one. Okay, this is your third subject. Okay, then you have three subjects. I think you all now selected your subjects according to your preference. You can select. The basic is, the main important thing is your preference. If you don't like to do this subject, it is very difficult in A level, because the A level, the main thing is more than O level. Now you all only know the structure of O level. More than O level, in A level you have very limited time. For O level, you know, grade 9, grade 10, grade 11, 3 years, but the subjects are very small. The content is very small. But in A level, you have very few time period, small time period, very limited time period. It is only 24 months, approximately 24 months. Now, this is 2025 July, 2026 July, 2027 July. You have only 24 months. 24 months. 2027 August is your exam. No any extension. August. This is the exam month. 2027 August. Now 2025 exam is 2025 November. 2026 exam will be held 2026 September, October. Still not finalized. It is September, October. Your exam come to the original month. Original month mean normally due to this corona problem, economic crisis, there are lot of delays now. Lot of that due to these delays, now the exam time is November. The exam month is now November. It's gradually they in 2024 exam was in 2024 December. Now එක මාසෙන් මාසේ gradually ගන්නවා correct month එකට. Then your exam, I hope your exam is come to the again back to the August month. Okay. Okay, then your exam, then you have the main difference is in O level you have so many considerable huge time period. The time period is huge and your syllabus is content is very low. The content very small, but comparatively the A level subjects is the content is bulk. If you select any stream, if you select commerce, if you select art, at least art, even art also, if you select biology, if you select maths, the content is bulk. Content is bulk, as well as you have very limited time period. You have only 24 months. You have 2 years, 24 months. From today, you have 24 months to work for this exam. Okay, that's the main difference. Okay, now I will explain about our subjects. Now I told science for technology, ETO, BST. Then among them, you can select one subject. They are your subjects in technology stream if you select technology stream. Okay, the other thing, what are the requirements to select this technology stream? What are the requirements you have to complete before select the technology stream? What are the special requirements? Mainly two requirements. Okay, mainly two requirements. If you select technology stream, actually not select, if while you applying for the exam, normally the exam application is open 3 months before exam. As example, requirement. Okay, requirement. The exam, A-level exam is exam application is open. Think your exam is 2027 August. 2027 August is your exam month, exam duration, time period. Then application is open. Application is open. Application will be open August, July, June, May of 2027. 2027 May. Oh, maximum April. Okay, April or May. Between April or May, your applications will be open. Okay, at that time you should have this requirement. You should fulfill this requirement. The requirement is you in O level result for science. For maths, you have to at least S pass, and science you have to get at least S pass. Okay, that's a minimum requirement. If you have more than this result, no any issue. Okay, that's a minimum result, minimum requirement. other no any requirement. Normally you need to pass the O level. The pass the O level mean 6 passes and 4 C passes. That's the meaning of general pass. Okay, 6 subject pass and 4 C passes. Okay, that means that's a minimum result you want. That's a minimum result. 6 pass subjects and 4 C passes. 4 C passes, and among these 6 subjects, you should pass compulsorily science and maths. Science and maths. If you not pass science and maths, you can't apply for A level. Okay, at that moment, at that time, while application is application open time, if you don't have fulfilled this requirement, you can't apply for the exam. But if you don't have this requirement, you can select the subject and you can work on this, no any problem. But you have next year you have O level exam. Within next year you have to do again your second term, second shy. You have to improve your requirements and fulfill them. Okay, if you can do this, you can select. If anyone has issue this O level result problems, okay, otherwise no any problem. Otherwise no any problem. You can continue your works. Okay. Okay, the other thing is what are the opportunities? What are the opportunities? How you select universities? How you select universities selecting these subjects? Okay, I'm initially I was try several times to show them. Unfortunately, the sound is not working. Wait, I will try again. Okay, it's not working. Okay, I'll explain. Okay, next week I'll show these things. Okay, if you after you doing A level in technology stream, you have several opportunities. Opportunities mean you have in locally there are so many universities with technology stream degree programs. The best technology faculties, you know, it is University of Jayawardenepura. It is my university. It is in Pitipan area. Technology faculties in Techno Zone. You know, in Pitipan area with the Colombo University technology faculty and Jayawardenepura University technology faculty, and all technology related things, institutes in the same zone in Pitipan area. The technology faculty of the Jayawardhanapura and University of Colombo, both locate in this zone, within this zone. Okay, then both in same place in this side, and the best school for technology stream for the Mahinda Rajapaksha Homagam also, Mahinda Rajapaksha College also located in this zone. Both faculty, also the Nesbrium University and Nanotech, there are a lot of databases and nanotechnology related research centers, all are located in the same zone in Pitipan. Okay, that's the best technology faculty in Sri Lanka. And the second one is Colombo, and the University of California also. There is a recently they opened a new technology faculty, and Sabaragamu also, and Uvavellas, and University of Jaffna, and what else? There are so many universities: University of Jaffna, Sabaragamu, Uvavellas, and in this side all universities, best technology faculties. Okay, within these technology faculties, I will explain in our university. If you select, if you doing engineering technology, okay, after your result released in A level, if you have basic requirement, if you have good rank in A level, not like your O level, in A level exam result not coming only grades. Think SF2, if you're doing SFT, ET and ICT, it's not only coming your SFTA, ETA, ICTA. It's not like this. A vitarak neveyin. It's coming Z value, your Z value. It's Z value mean, I will explain later. There is the complex equation for calculate the Z value. The Z value is it's a value between 0 and 4. Z value is a value between 0 and 4. After that, it's also contain district rank. In your district, what is your rank? And it also contain a island rank. In your all island, what is your rank? Okay, that's the A level result sheet. Okay, think it is district rank 10, island rank 40, like this. If you can work hard, you can convert, you can get both first, because මෙතන first වෙන්නේ ඔයාලා වගේම the same colleagues working same, learning in same condition, working same subject, same stream, same syllabus. Okay, so doing same paper, same exam, same rules. Okay, if you can work hard, you can achieve this one also. Okay, that is your result. That's your result. If you, after your result, do you know how you select for the universities? How you select for the universities? There are two methods. Okay, while result released, after result released, while select for the universities, there are two methods. The first one is merit methods. The merit methods mean the merit methods. The merit method mean according to the island rank. The merit method according to island rank. That's mean as example, think 1 to first island, first to island 200. Without considering the district rank, they all select for their preferred universities. 1 to 200, the value can be changed. think the maximum merit rank is 200. Merit rank is 200 now. Then select the first island 200, select their preferred university with all facilities. Nowadays, the government has proposed the first best result, they give a scholarship. In future, I think in 2027 it will operate, it will finalize. In first best result, they have given scholarship chances for foreign countries universities. Therefore, if you can go to this level, merit ranks means good iron rank, the first few iron ranks. Okay, if you can go, there are so many chances. In my exam, in my exam year is 2018. My rank is iron 8, the first of Madhuranga district. I'm my school is in Madhuranga. My district is Madhuranga. Okay, therefore, if you can work, it is very simple. If you can get this result, A with super scores, with think for SFT, if you can go, you can get 95 marks. You can get it 95 easy for SFT. ET 95 little difficult. ET you can get at least 90. 90 you can get. ICT 95 okay. Only ET, there due to the practical, it is a little difficult. Not too hard, but it is difficult to go for 95. But if you can try, you can do this. Okay, if you can get these marks, you can go to island first as well. Island first also simple. Okay, I told the Z value is always 0 and 4. It is a just value according to a marks for each subject. According to your marks for each subject, it's a complex calculation. After this complex calculation, 0 to 4, the value between 0 and 4 is given as the Z value. According to your Z value, the district rank and island rank decide according to your Z value, not only your marks. Okay, if you got think as example, the ICT, ET, SFT, these subjects, the Z value is different. For SFT is the highest Z value among them, because in our subject there are so many calculation parts. The exam is little bit comparatively, if you not work hard, if you not work consistently, the exam is little bit difficult in SFT. Therefore, the most Z value is for 1 mark, the SFT, then ET, finally ICT. The ICT also good Z value, but comparatively SFT Z value is high, greater than ICT. Okay, but if we consider these 3 subjects, all 3 subjects, their Z is greater when comparatively like art subjects. Art subject like Sinhala, geography, like subjects, more than these subjects, the Z value is greater in our subjects due to a lot of technological things. We discussing a lot of technological things important for future life. Therefore, our Z values are greater. Therefore, we can the district rank and island rank little to get achieve, it is little easy than art or commerce student in our stream. Okay, I told the university selection methods. The first one is the merit method. In merit method, they select the first island ranks. They select as suitable candidates. Okay. In the second one, district quota method. In district quota method, in district quota method, it is depend on the district, your district. Think that mainly depend on the population of each district. You know, the most popular population density in Gampaha district. Then in Gampaha district, the number of students intake for universities is higher. I think it is like 550 like value for all universities. The second most population is Colombo district. It is like 500. Third is, I think, Madhur. Then it is 480. According to the number of population and the number of students participate for the exam, the number of students select for each universities, each district, from each district, that is vary. That's vary. As example, if you get Monaragala Puttalam like district, Monaragala Puttalam like district, it is like 200. You can see that mainly depend on the number of population, number of peoples in the district, and number of students participate for the exam. Both, okay, both they consider. Okay, then you can see that's the main difference. If you, I think you can understand, if think there is one students in Gampaha district, their rank is 500. His rank is 500. One student, his rank is 500 in district rank. Okay, they can select for the university in Gampaha district, no any issue. Okay, there is another student, there his rank is 400 in Monaragala district. You can see he can't think in Monaragala district according to this method. In Monaragala district, one student, it is 250 is the rank, but 500 they can enter for the university. 250 he can't enter for the university. That's actually it is some advantage and disadvantage both in this method. But this is now this is the using method now. The merit rank mean without considering the district. Okay, for merit ranks, district rank is not considered. District rank not considered. The first merit ranks directly get for the universities. Okay, the after that, after 200, consider the merit ranks. Consider the merit rank. I think I think you can understand this. Think in merit ranks in Gampaha district. Think among 200, among first 200 in Gampaha district, among first 200, think in Gampaha district 50 students. Then remember that in Gampaha district 600 students are selected for the university. 550 according to the district quota method and 50 from the merit ranks. Okay, both select for the universities. Okay, then you can see up to 600 rank in Gampaha district, they can select for the universities. The both the same, the condition is same for all district. If it is the number of merit rank is higher, greater among other district, the number of student select for the universities are great. It is high. Okay, that's the basic of the university selection methods. Okay. I think now you have basic idea about university selection method. What is the district rank? What is the island rank? What is the Z value? Okay. The Z value is for each subject for one mark. There is a specific value. Then think as example for a safety. For a safety, 1 marks, that is year to year, that is changing. Think it is 0.2 is the 1 mark Z value. Then if you got 50 marks, the 0.2 multiplied by the 50. Then this value is get as a Z value for SFT. Okay, then for ET and ICT or other your next subjects, the same procedure calculating. Then the summation of these all three values, that all three subjects values, that we called as a Z value. Your final Z value is coming like this. Okay. Okay, that's about Z value and university selection methods. Okay. Next, what are the areas? What are the areas we cover during our subjects? Okay, before that I will explain what are the chances you have during your degree programs. After your A levels, your target must be select for the universities and government or private or whatever university, and do a complete a degree to graduate. After that you have postgraduated and to go up to your targets. Okay, now if you select engineering technology, okay, engineering technology, ET, engineering technology, you have 6 areas. You can select your preferred area and you can complete the degree after A level. They are in every universities, the university to university, the courses are changing, but I will explain the common courses in engineering technology, biosystem technology, and ICT. Okay, engineering technology. Before that, you have 3 degree programs in every universities. In government universities, the first one is Bachelor of Engineering Technology, that we call as BET, Bachelor of Engineering Technology. The second one is Bachelor of Biosystem Technology, BBST. The third one is Bachelor of Information Communication Technology, BICT. Okay, they are the degree program. Okay, in Bachelor of Engineering Technology, you have 6 fields. You can select according to your preference. You can select one of them and you can complete your degree. Okay, the first one is automobile technology. Automobile technology. I'm not going to explain one by one automobile technology in 8 classes while they start the introduction session. In the introduction session first day, they will explain what are the in-depth, what are the structures, what are the areas you cover in these subjects, in these courses. Okay, automobile, this is the first one. The second one is energy and environment. The second one is mechatronics, like robotic related side, mechatronics. The third one is civil engineering technology. Civil engineering technology. Civil engineering. The fourth one is geotechnology. Geoengineering technology. Geoengineering technology. The fifth one is energy and environment technology. Energy and environment technology. Energy and environment technology. The sixth one, final one is polymer, rubber related production technology, polymer technology. Okay, they are the areas you can select under Bachelor of Bachelor of Engineering Technology. Okay, Bachelor of Biosystems Technology, mainly there are so many new courses also, but commonly there are three main areas. The first one is what the first one? Environment technology. Environment technology. The third one is industrial biosystems technology. Industrial biosystems technology. The fourth, second one, third one is the second one. Third one is food technology, food production technology, food technology. Okay, they are the areas in Bachelor of Biosystem Technology. Okay, what are the areas you can cover in your degree program in BICT? Okay, if you doing for A level engineering technology with engineering technology and BST as second subject, as third subject ICT, you have another chance to apply for universities by for the Bachelor of Information Communication Technology. Okay, that's a additional chance. Okay, according to it, they are the main degree programs. Additionally, there is another one, Bachelor of Information Communication Technology. That's also a highly demand area. You can understand mainly in BICT, you can select three areas. The first one is software engineering technology. I think you can imagine what the demand in the world, the software engineering. Software engineering technology. The second one is multimedia engineering technology. Multimedia engineering technology. The final one is networking. Okay, they are the areas you can select according to your subjects. If you're doing ET and ICT, you have a chance to select these areas and these areas both. If you're doing BST and ICT, you have chance to select these 6 areas. If you select ET and ICT, you have 9 areas, okay, for selection. Okay, they are the chances in your future degree programs. Okay, they are the courses you can select for in your future degree programs. Okay, after A level. Okay, if you select these areas, compulsory to get a super rank, get a higher rank in A level. If not, you can't select anyone. then you have to, if you, at least you can't go to a private universities. In private universities also now, they, to keep their standards, they request, they considering the A level ranks now, A level results. Okay, therefore compulsory to work hard on this exam uh, to get a higher rank, and higher district rank and good island rank with merit rank, as I explained, merit rank, and good Z value. Okay. Okay. Now we'll move into our syllabus. Okay. Now we discuss the background. Okay. Now directly come to our subjects. Okay. Now we are come to the science for technology. We doing in our class science for technology. This is the main compulsory subject in our stream. No any selections. Okay. All the students doing technology stream have to do these subjects. Okay. This is compulsory. Okay. This the science for technology SFT. SFT. The short name is SFT. Okay, in this subject, we cover main five areas. Remember, main five areas. The first area is, altogether we have 25 lessons. I forgot to tell it. It is 25 lessons. Within these 2 hours, we have to cover. We have only 24 months. Within 24 months, we have to cover 25 lessons. 25 lessons. The first area is, in our syllabus, we have biology side. We have biology sides. It is 2 lessons. It is very small part. In biology side, we have only 2 lessons. Okay, the first one is biomolecule. The second one is cell structures. Okay, I will show you. For every lessons, this type you have separate tube. Okay, I'll show you. I think now printed tubes are. This is our cell structure. This is our biology. That's a bulk lesson, most bulk lesson. I think 26, 25 students already know. This is your cell structure lesson. This is your forces lesson tube. This is a forces lesson tube. I think the previous group of students, in our first group of students, now we are doing first force lesson. Okay, the middle of the force lesson. Last day we discussed this lesson, the force resolution we discussed for first group of students. We discussed about. Now we are doing the fully the measurement lesson fully we covered. Actually today we is going to start the measurement lesson. For group 1 students already covered the measurement lesson. Okay, this is our industrial chemistry. They are chemistry lessons. I will show you. All tubes. This is our environmental chemistry. I will show you all tubes. Okay, there are some of tubes. You can see for all lessons. You have separate tubes. Okay, this is for rotational motion. This is for polymer. This is for environmental chemistry. This is for industrial chemistry. This is for forces. This is for cell structures. And there is another tube. For all lessons you have tube only printed now. 2025 batch we doing cell structure. That's why it is printed. Okay, for all lessons you can get tubes. Not only these lessons, for all lessons you can get tubes, separate tubes. This is your first lesson. We starting from here. This is your measurement lesson too. This is your measurement lesson. This lesson we already completed in the first group. Okay, this is your measurement tube lesson. Okay, you can see different type of measuring instruments and their usages, their functions, and their parts, how they are used, and they are in every important things we discussed in the measurement lesson. Okay, they are the tubes for all lessons. You will have tubes. While we starting, it will come to your home, printed quality tubes. Then you can work on these. Okay, we have 2 biology lessons. After that, you have in second you have 7 chemistry lesson. Chemistry. You have 7 lessons. Chemistry. In chemistry, we have we starting from the biomolecule is the basic of the same chemistry, but that is biology lesson. After that, we discuss in chemistry part. That's not complex like A-level chemistry, but for technological approaches, the basic chemistry knowledge we discussed in this our syllabus. In here we mainly discussed the first chemistry lesson is thermal chemistry. There is physics lesson. We have 8 physics lesson. 8 physics lesson. Physics. We have 8 physics lesson. In physics part we discuss about heat lesson. Okay, thermal physics. Okay, there is another lesson that's the point we start chemistry. That's in thermal chemistry. In this thermal chemistry we discuss the temperature variation related chemistry. Okay, in molecular level there are so many interesting things we discussed in the chemistry part. 7 chemistry lessons in thermal chemistry. The second one is kinetic chemistry, how to find the rate of chemical reactions we discussed in the kinetic chemistry. In the third chemistry lesson is industrial chemistry, how different industries in worldwide, how use these chemistries, what are the industry related chemistry chemical reactions about we discussed in the industrial chemistry. In the fourth chemistry lesson is natural products. I think natural products also is there. Natural products. This is the natural product tubes. I forgot to show you. That's a natural product tubes. The natural products. In the natural products, we discussing about different metabolites. Actually, still you can't understand what are the metabolites. Mainly metabolites, that they are simple lessons. The fifth chemistry lesson is in environmental chemistry. Means final lesson. 25th lesson. Environmental chemistry lesson mean the basically the environmental things, environmental basic technological approaches, how you doing in environmental friendly way. Okay, now due to the technology improvements, lot of environmental damages, that is not sustainable. It is damaging to future generations. In the industrial, in the environmental chemistry, in our last lesson we discussed how we improve our technologies according to the environmental healthy method. Okay, this is our sixth chemistry lesson, that is polymers. Different polymers, polythene, polyvinyl chloride, different types of polymers, how produce and how these polymers used for different industries, mainly for technologies. We discussed in the polymer lessons. Okay, for this one also you have tools. Okay, final chemistry lesson is the what's the final one? A final tube still don't have the tube. I'll show it's still not, it is printed for 2026 students. Yeah, it is, I think, finished. Okay, I'll show you later. Okay, we have 7 chemistry lessons. After that, we have 8 uh, physics lesson. In physics lesson, we starting from measurements and forces. You already know in the O-level time also forces, force dissolution force, resultant force, moment of force, couple of force, uh, many things we discussed in this forces lesson. The forces is long lesson. After that, we discussing about heat lesson, how temperature related things in physics, in molecular level, everything we discussed, how heat is transformation, how the quantity of heat calculations, what's the meaning of heat capacity, specific heat capacity, with all practicals we discussed in the heat lesson. Okay, in the fourth one is the uh, fluid mechanism, fluid related physics. The fifth one is the rotational motion. The sixth one is the work energy and power. Seventh one is mechanical energy of matters. The final one is electronics, electricity. Let's see, discuss several electricity related things in the final topic. Okay, it is 3. Then the fourth area is maths. Maths. We have 5 maths lessons, and the final area is we have ICT. In ICT, basic ICT, we have 5 lessons. We have 5 lessons. You can 15 plus 10, it is 25 lessons altogether. In maths lesson, in maths part, you have very simple lessons. In 3 lessons are basic mathematics. The first one is trigonometry, the second one is area and volume, the third one is what third one is Pythagoras theorem, very simple. The fourth one is statistic, and the final one is coordinate geometry. This one is complex, little complex mathematics question. The others are very simple maths uh, topics that you already know: area and volume, trigonometry, and Pythagoras theorem. But in this the area and volume, trigonometry, and Pythagoras theorem, we're not going to discuss the basic you did in O-level things. Okay, but in this part we discuss how this area and volume, trigonometry, Pythagoras theorem knowledge, how to use for technological approaches. Okay, how to use for technological approaches. Okay, they are the areas we cover in our throughout these 2 years, 24 months. They are the areas. Okay, then from next day we're going to start about our first lesson. I'm not going to start because still you don't have tubes. Okay, before we start, better to you to get your tubes. Okay, otherwise it is very difficult to do this uh, in online. It is a physical, it's then I can give you notes and we can continue, but in online you should have printed perfect note, and we doing some practicals as well during the class. Then it is easily we can continue. Then from next week we start the class. Probably, actually this is not our class is in the second group, we cannot get Friday. Okay, Friday we have another work. Actually, the Friday is 2025 student day. Then we have to get into Saturday same time. Saturday, 6 to 8, like time for our continue our class after some time. Okay, rapid in these first 2 lessons. I hope to do it rapidly. Okay, if you have any doubt, you can watch recording. If you can group one student recording also, you can watch. It is doing very slowly, but in this class we doing little rapidly. Okay, rapid way, and get your level into same as group one student knowledge. Otherwise we have to in throughout these 2 years I can't do two classes. Okay, then after you get into the same level, I'll put into I'll combine these two classes and continue after 2 to 3 lessons complete. From fourth lesson I hope to get all into same group. Okay, then you can get any recording. I'll give you any recording, group one student recording or your recording, no issue. You can register from next month. Our new website is now okay. Our website is now still developing. Within 2 to 3 days it will okay. Then you can register on the website. After your monthly payment, you can get all recordings in any classes. You have access to all recordings, and you have access all papers, notes, PDF file. You can order printed tunes, all facilities in there. Okay. Okay, do you have any question to ask me? You can chat.
No, sir.
Okay. Okay. Final thing. The final thing. Uh, you have two options to get tunes and all recordings to join our class. You have two options. You can pay your monthly class fee. Your class fee is 4,000. 4,000 per month. For tunes, no, you don't need any additional fee. Only 4,000. Uh, the 4,000 you can pay in uh, for this month. You don't need to pay actually. For this month you don't need to pay. Actually, this is the end of the month. You can start for next week also. You can join free, no issue. But if you can pay for next month before next week, you can get the tunes. Okay, then you can with it before next week. Better to pay for this, not this month. If you can pay, I will take it as a next month payment. Then you can get the tune before next week. Okay, within 2 to 3 days. Within 2 to 3 days, you will receive your tunes into your home. You have to pay uh, by using our website, or directly you can do bank payment. I'll send you bank payment details, and directly you can pay for bank payments, and you have to send me the receipt. Okay, receipt or screenshot also okay. Receipt into I will give you a WhatsApp number. If you after you send the receipt, better to write down your name, and only name is enough. Then we can find in the receipt. If it is a screenshot, you can type your name as a text message. Then we can find you, and with receipt I need your address and two contact numbers. Address and two contact numbers, 201. It's a correct one, correct, and working phone numbers. Okay, then 2 to 3 days it will come to your home. Then you can start working. In your first tute packs you will have 3 tutes. In your first tute packs I will show you. In your first tute packs you will have the measurement lesson. That's our first lesson we starting. This is our the second lesson, the forces lesson. Yeah. ගීනද ඔයාලා පේමන්ට් කරන්න කවදද? එදාගින් දවස් 3ක් ඇතුළත ටියුට්ස් එක. පේමන්ට්ස් ටියුට් වලට පේමන්ට්ස් කරන්න ඕනේ නැහැ. ඔයාලා ක්ලාස් ෆීස් ගෙවුවම ටියුට්ස් එනවා. Within 2 to 3 days. Okay, these 3 tutes you can get for first payment. Okay, after that, after we complete within 2 to 3 months, we complete these 3 lessons. After that, you will have another tute packs. Likewise, you can get all tutes. Okay, in first tute packs, you will have measurement lesson, forces lesson, and rotational motion tutes. Rotational motion, this one. Okay, that's a full introduction session today. That's only we need to discuss today, because I'm not going to start today. From next week, we start the class from measurement lesson. We start the measurement lesson. If you want, I have published some class videos in our YouTube channel. Not all, but some videos are published. You can watch them, and you can get some idea how you working. Normally, not after today, from next week, no any speech, actually, only working, only teaching, and you have to work continuous. That's the way you can watch for our 25 student, 26 students classes. We doing hard, actually. We working hard. Otherwise, you know, in among all island, we are the first 2A passes got in 2024 A level. From 2015, the first 2A passes got in our first batch. In our first batch, 2024, we got 2A passes. This is the first and only 2A passes in all island for in English medium. In technology stream, that's a first and only 2A passes in all island for English medium SFT in English medium technology student between. Okay, in for 25 also we have a lot of ranks. You can see after now still 25 students doing study and doing working. Okay, but in 25 also we have good result, and you also, if you come into our class, you have to do a lot of things. Okay, that is not only like simple class. It is hard working. We doing lot of works within 1 week we doing lot of works, and if you have targets, I will give you in my best for your go to your targets. Okay, if you have any doubt, you can ask now. This is our end of our introduction session. If you have any doubt, you can ask. Okay, if you don't have doubts, we can wind up for today. From next week, we start from the measurement lesson discussed about measuring instruments. Okay, measuring instruments. Okay, good night. Mindu, okay, no problem.